In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a report from your Plant 3D model. Okay, so with Plant 3D you get a report creator. If I type in report in here, I can open my report creator. I can then specify which project I want to work from. This is the project I want to work from, so I'm specifying the XML file. And I'm going to specify what type of report I'm going to generate, and this one is a valve list. And if I wanted to, I can edit that report. So I can go into here and I can edit the what type of file it's going to create, PDF. I can edit the layout as well. And for example, if I wanted to, I could actually import another image like so, stretch the image so that it fits, something like that. Yeah, once you're happy, you can save that and close it. Okay, change a few options there. I'm going to go with the whole project data. I can preview that if I want to. And there's my report list. Close that. Print and export. We can see where it's put the file. So it's in my practice files in my project folder, so let's just navigate to those there. In my reports folder, here we go, and there's my report. Simple as that. So that information has been pulled from the database of the Plant 3D model. So just to show you that, we have in the model a data manager. And this is an SQL database, either a light database or a full SQL instance. And if I change it to the project there, we can see, we can look down for valves, and there we have all my valves in this project. Okay, so please feel free to contact Man and Machine if you have any questions on this at all. Thanks for watching. Bye.